All right, thank you very much, Ms. Johnson, for that presentation. At this time, we can start taking questions. If anybody has any, you can just type those in the question box and hit send, and we'll go over them. And just a reminder also that if you would like pesticide credits for these presentations, remember to put your first name, your last name, and the states for which you need credits in the audience chat box. Another reminder too is that all of the presenters from this morning's speech sessions will be participating in a roundtable discussion. So that starts at 11. So please make sure to join in for that too and ask questions then. So don't be shy. Type your questions in the question box. Another reminder too is that these presentations and the virtual trade show will be available to you until April 30th. So if you missed part of the presentation or you just want to rewatch it, again, you can go back to this platform and it's available until then. All right, Kendall, how come there is significantly more phony peach in Georgia than in South Carolina?
That's a good question, Guido. Thank you for that question. So we're thinking that just because in central Georgia, we're at warmer temperatures and it's at a lower altitude, even compared to South Carolina, which doesn't seem like much of a difference, but we are seeing some of that temperature difference. And as well as we think that could be some vegetation differences between the two that are found more within Georgia and Alabama.
All right, you've got, what is the best way to control glass wing shark?
The best way to control the glassy wing sharpshooter. So far in the literature, we've seen that they have found some good success with using imidacloprid, and we have started to see some of the growers have thought about doing drip applications of imidacloprid that could be helpful.
All right, and have you found any peach rootstock resistant to PPD?
That's a great question. So far we haven't actually tested this yet, but this is hopefully going to be something I'm going to work on and within the next 2 years of my project to look at testing different rootstocks to see if there is resistance.
And then should we be concerned about the disease coming from Georgia into South Carolina?
So South Carolina has had it recently, but not since early 2000s. And we recently went over, like I said in my presentation, this past year, and we did not find any phony peach disease, which is good for South Carolina. So at this time, you can always be concerned about disease coming in, but I don't think that it's much a concern as of right now.
All right, great. Thank you for the questions, everybody, and thank you, Kendall, for answering those. Again, remember to join in at the roundtable discussion. That's going to happen at 11, and you can ask all the presenters from this morning your questions and just hear their discussion. So join in on that. Again, remember, if you need pesticide credits, put your information in that audience chat. And again, thanks for attending and enjoy the rest of the conference. And we'll end this discussion now.